Rockhash is the world's leading cloud mining trading platform, with cloud mining products covering BTC, ETH, FIL, in order to provide users with safer, more convenient and more profitable products and services. Rockhash has deep layout of global mines, investing in the construction of 7 large mines and tens of thousands of mining machines. The mines cover Canada, USA, Norway, Iceland, Kazakhstan, Singapore, Russia and other places. Rockhash has signed long-term cooperation agreements with a number of major mining machine manufacturers to ensure a stable supply of mining machines. Rockhash has many years of professional mine operation and maintenance experience, leading the hosting service standards of the industry in terms of online rate, number of mining machines reaching the standard and online computing power reaching the standard. If you are as fascinated by the cloud mining products as we are, want to participate, please visit our website and be a part of the project.